Hi, I'm Jafar Noyan, and in today's video, we're going to learn a very important topics about webmail and our personal Gmail. I'm going to set up a webmail in my personal Gmail. I have already added one, the info one, and I am going to show another one. I'm going to add it from my CPanel. First, we have to go for our email accounts. You can see that this is the info I already added here, and now I am going to add this Abdikadir one to the personal Gmail. First, just click to the connect device section, and those are the information we need. And from here, just click on the gear or the setting icon and click on see all settings, and from here came to account and import section, and we are going to set up two settings here. One is send mail as, so that we can send email from our personal Gmail, uh, and the two email will be info like the webmail here, and then we are going to set the check mail from another accounts. That's mean if someone send to our webmail, it will came to our personal Gmail account directly. I've already select this one from here. Now first go to send mail as section and click on add another mail address. You may not see this option here. You can only see the only personal gmail.com, and click add another email address. Now just give a name here. I'm naming it Prime Breeze Logistics, and this is the important. We need email address. That means the webmail we need to integrate it. Just copy this one and paste in there, and go to the next. There is a error. You can see that I have copied a dot here, empty space here. Just removed it. Next step, and we need SMTP server now, and these are the outgoing server. I'm copying it. The incoming and outgoing server are the same, and paste it the SMTP server, and username always the full webmail. Copy this one, paste to the username section, and I am copying the password from my device, the webmail password, not your Gmail password. Remember this one. We need the webmail password. I'm pasting the password here, and we need to change the port here. 587 is the port, but we can see the outgoing server port is 465, so I'm going to change it to 465, and secure connection SSL is leave it there, make it tick mark, and add account. Now Gmail send a confirmation link to our webmail, so let's check it. To check this one, just go back or just click this one, and now check mail and open your inbox, and you can see this is a Gmail confirmation. I'm going to click this one, and you can see Abdikadir at primebreezelogs.com, and need to confirm by clicking this link. Just click it, just hit the confirm button, and we are done. So let's see is it's working or not. You can see there are two there at first. One is our Gmail, second one is was our info mail, and the third one I've just added now is this one, Abdikadir at primebreezelogs.com. So send mail as is set up. Let's check it. So I'm just refreshing the browser and click on compose, and you can see by default it's our Gmail. And if you click this little arrow icon, we can see another two options here. One is the new one we have added here, and one is the info I have added previously. So you can select this one to send email from this webmail, and our second step is to receive all our webmails incoming messages to our personal Gmail. You can see this is the info only. This one is selected, just added here, and I'm going to add a new mail accounts, and the email address will be let me go to the connect device and take the informations. I'm copying this one, paste the email address at primaries logs, go to the next, again next, and this is the username, again the full webmail here. Now hit the password here, again the webmail password, not the Gmail password, and pop server is okay. Let's double check it. The incoming server, I'm copying this one, and remember the port 993 or 995. We need this ports. I'm going to paste the pop server, and I'm going to change this one. I'm setting 995, and these four options are uh, important. If you click this one, leave a copy to retrieve message on the server, it will keep a copy in your server here. You will have a copy in here, and it will forward a copy to your personal Gmail. But for this email, I do not need any copy to our website server. That's why I'm not checking this one, and click this one. Always use a secure connection, and I need a label like this info, and I want a label like Abdikadir. So I'm taking this one, and archive message, incoming message, skip the inbox. No, I do not want to make it on archive. I want it to our inbox. That's why I'm not checking this out, and click add account. It's done. You can see this is the latest one. It's also added here in pop3 server, but you can see this is not level added here. Let's wait for a second or refresh the browser. Here you go, the level already added, and go to inbox. You can see this is two level added here. One is info and second one is Abdikadir. Let's make it colorful. Click on these three dots, and level color I am setting it to yellow. It's done. You can see that, and you can see it's already forwarded the two emails from our webmail server. And let's check, is there any copy leave here? You can see that this is the Abdikadir's dashboard, but there is no message here. It already forwarded the total copy to our personal Gmail, and there is no copy. That's why, because I did not check on the options, you remember that one. So I think you have learned a new thing from here, and if you like this video, let's stay with this channel. So That's all for today.